Heavy construction profitability begins with bidding, and B2W Estimate combines industry-leading performance and features with an intuitive construction logic, so estimators can bid faster, bid with more accuracy, and win more bids by focusing on strategy instead of chasing figures and entering data. Central, secure databases are the foundation of B2W Estimate. This is where company-specific cost information is created, stored, and combined into commonly used templates. Labor, equipment, material, and other costs are stored in the resources database, where crew templates can be built by combining labor and equipment, or task templates can be created with any number and type of resources. Item databases include line items that form the basis of a quote. Each item template can be pre-configured with an unlimited number of cost resources. B2W Estimate users can establish an unlimited number of item databases and an unlimited number of templates in each database. The software even comes pre-populated with lists of items for DOT work in the US and ministry work in Canada. Estimators can create indirect items to be spread over a bid. For every heavy construction work type, B2W Estimate databases provide detailed, cost-loaded line items, the building blocks for creating and modifying estimates quickly and accurately. Within the estimate, logical tabs make it easy to move through the estimating process. Fill out basic details about the estimate on the Information tab. Move to the Item Listing tab to create items on the fly. Manually choose items from the item databases or even import items electronically from Excel or Expedite. When quantities are entered or imported, the system will calculate costs automatically. Move to the Detail tab to modify the templates as necessary to make the costs bid-specific. Change a crew production rate. Add or remove any costs resources as needed. An error check wizard even looks for common mistakes, like zero costs or zero quantities. Bid pricing lets estimators add markup with simple or detailed methods to add bond, overhead, profit, or bid-level taxes to create the target price of the bid. Distribution strategy is where bond, overhead profit, or indirect costs can be spread into selected pay items. In item pricing, B2W Estimate can auto-distribute to generate prices based on costs, markups, and which items the values were distributed to. From here, prices can still be adjusted manually as needed. Change orders can be added, tracked, and modified easily within the original estimate, so they remain consistent, organized, and linked with the base bid. And the Bid Form tab makes it simple to customize a professional-looking document for delivery to an owner or general contractor. At any point, estimators and managers can run over 70 different reports to analyze data within an estimate. The Enterprise Edition of Estimate also includes cross-bid reporting, a powerful tool for pulling data from previous estimates to analyze performance, identify trends, and find opportunities to improve future bids. Estimating is not an isolated activity, and fast, easy electronic data transfer is a hallmark of B2W Estimate that increases accuracy, drives collaboration, and eliminates hours of rework and rekeying. Bids imported from Expedite or EBS can be exported out and submitted electronically. When an estimate is won, it can be exported out to any one of over 35 different accounting packages, or exported to project management scheduling systems like MS Project or Primavera. With the unified platform, bid data also moves seamlessly to the B2W Track and B2W Schedule applications for unified field tracking, resource scheduling, and dispatching. No file downloads or uploads or redundant data entry. B2W connects the field and the office, opening the door for more coordination between how jobs are bid and how they are built. And B2W Estimate is enterprise-class software. That means it runs fast and reliably, even for companies with large databases and complex requirements. Multiple estimators can work simultaneously without worries about who changed what and which version is the latest. And while the features and performance are advanced, the logic is intuitive and familiar. Even new users can be up and running with B2W Estimate in days, building more bids in less time, estimating more accurately from reliable cost data and structures, and winning more jobs.